G'day guys, it's Calvin from the Cartoon Company. I spend a lot of time fixing other people's stuff-ups. And so I'm going to show you one of the very basicest things, well I think it's a basic thing, on a 1uz on how to check whether your car's wired properly. Now if this isn't set up properly, your car won't idle properly, it won't idle when cold. There's a multitude of issues that the cars have. So this is a really quick way to check that your car is wired properly. So whether you're doing it yourself, I do sell instructions on how to wire these things, and it covers this. It's not something I'm actually going to tell you how to fix this problem, because I do need to make a living somehow. But if you just pick your car up from an auto sparkie and you do this test and it fails, take it back to them, because they haven't got it right. If you're doing it yourself and it doesn't do this, then you haven't got it right. So let's have a quick look. So we're talking here about the early UZs, but the later ones also have the same setup. So what I've done on this one is I've tapped into the +B in this diagnostic box under the bonnet. It is the same wires as the centre 2 on the idle speed control, the IAC. So I'm just going to turn the key on, and we're going to watch that test light. You can't really see if it's on. Let's go right over there. Yep, so that is on. I'm going to just change that around. Just give me a moment. Okay, so I've just changed it around. I've just swapped the test light from end to end. So I've plugged it into the +B in the diagnostic box under the bonnet. And I'm going to turn the key off. Okay, and the test light turned off. So that's all right. I'm going to start the engine. There it is. There is the engine running. And now I'm going to turn the key off. You'll hear the engine stop. And the light stays on. And then it turns off. We'll have to do that again. So key on without the engine running. Turn straight off. Start the engine. 1, 2, 3. About 3 seconds. And it stays on, but only after the engine's been started. So if you do that simple test and it fails, then your engine's not wired right. I also check it at the centre 2 pins on the idle speed control and at the ECU inside the car, just to be 100% certain. When it's doing that, it's resetting this idle speed control unit ready to restart it the next time. So if it doesn't do that, you're going to have lots of issues. So that's the simplest, easiest check, and I find it on about half of the 1uz that come into my shop that have been wired, that even auto sparkies can't get that simple setup correct. So I hope that's helpful. I know I'm going to get lots of questions on how do I fix it, and I'm actually going to be a little bit mean and say, well, you kind of should get my instructions, or hopefully you've seen this before you start wiring and you buy a set of my instructions and wiring diagrams that also come with my help, and then I'm not so much of a prick. Hope that's helpful. We'll talk to you again.